Hi guys, it's Hani here. Today we're going to make lots of Shamrock cookies for St. Patrick's Day. In today's tutorial I'm using vegan chocolate sugar cookies, and to decorate I'm using vegan royal icing. Both of these recipes can be found on my YouTube channel, and printable versions are listed on my blog. I thought it would be really fun to create updated version of already existing tutorial. I made these Shamrock cookies 7 years ago, and today I'm making a new version using similar designs. I'm also teaming up with Sweet Amps. Amber is going to share on her YouTube channel how to make these gorgeous rainbow St. Patrick's Day cookies. Be sure to visit the link in the description box and check out her blog post and her YouTube video for all the details. And now let's get started with today's tutorial. Let's get started with 15-second consistency royal icing. Outline and flat the half of the cookie. Now we're going to outline other half and flood it immediately with white royal icing, also 15-second consistency. Once the icing is crusted over, we can start adding details. In today's tutorial I'm using 3 shades of green. And for all the tools and recipes, visit my blog hanielas.com. Link is in the description box under the video. In this second design we're going to outline and flat the whole cookie. Let it dry, and then with piping consistency you can pipe lines across and then pipe lines perpendicular to the first lines. Now use piping consistency white royal icing to outline, and I'm going to let it crust before I flat the middle. Now you can fill it with 15-second consistency dark green. And now we're going to do wet on wet polka dots. Now this is the very last design. I love corneli lace. It looks beautiful on cookies and cakes. Have you guys tried corneli lace? If you need to take a break, it's okay to take a break. And here are all the cookies we made today. I'm curious to know, which set do you guys like better? Do you like this set or the one I made 7 years ago? Let me know in the comment section down below. And also don't forget to check out Sweet Am's and Amber's beautiful St. Patrick's Day tutorial. Link to Amber's YouTube video and blog post where you can find all the tools you need is down below in the description box. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I will see you next time.